Hi, here's me again. But I'm done picking up my ice cube, so should be able to take a bite. See? Oh. You just, take a bite. I forgot to take out my ice cubes, so I'm going to take them out now. As you can see, baby toys here. So, I'll just, talk to you later, and maybe, I'm not saying we will, but I'm saying maybe. In my first episode, I had the box and stuff on my little feet. So, are you with me? Okay, bye. Oh man, it's too late.